Today we will learn about English alphabets. Alphabets are also called letters. Did you know that there are 26 alphabets in English? The first alphabet is A and the last Z. Now I am going to sing all 26 alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Alphabets can be uppercase or lowercase. Today we will learn about uppercase alphabets. These are the uppercase alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's look at them one by one. This is letter A. This is letter B. This is C. This is D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Please press the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Now let's look at the uppercase alphabets one more time, but this time with examples of words that start with each alphabet. For my examples in this video, I have chosen animals because I love animals. A. Alligator. Alligator starts with letter A. A for alligator. B. Bear. B for bear. C. Cat. C for cat. D. Dog. D for dog. E. Elephant. E for elephant. F. Fish. F for fish. G. Goat. G for goat. H. Horse. H for horse. I. Iguana. I for iguana. J. Jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K. Koala. K for koala. L. Lion. L for lion. M. Monkey. M for monkey. N. Nightingale. N for nightingale. O. Owl. O for owl. P. Panda. P for panda. Q. Quail. Q for quail. R. Rabbit. R for rabbit. S. Squirrel. S for squirrel. vulture. V for vulture. W, whale. W for whale. X, X-ray tetra. X for X-ray tetra. Y, yak. Y for yak. Z, zebra. Z for zebra. Now some questions for you to practice. The name of this animal starts with which alphabet? The name of this animal starts with which alphabet? Question 3. Question 4. The name of this animal starts with which alphabet? Can you read these alphabets and give the name of an animal that starts with each letter? Question 6, question 7, question 8. Question 9, question 10, question 11. Question 12, question 13, question 14. Now let's revise uppercase alphabet one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's write uppercase alphabets on a whiteboard. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Na, ma, no, my, A, B, C's. Next time, won't you sing and me? Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Here I am writing uppercase alphabet on a computer. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I had learned alphabets by the age of 2 and had started writing them. Now write one from this one.
Okay, write A, B, C, D.
Oh, let me see this one. Let me see it. Here's a video of me writing them on on the blackboard of a classroom in Purdue University?
A.
A, B.
No, write B.
I was 2.5 years old at that time. Let's sing alphabets one last time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel Learning with Ameer. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time. Bye.